Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. We will go on the record in the matter 26 CF12, State of Wisconsin versus Richard Chanel Jr. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Emma Campion, Defense Counsel, by video conferencing with approval of the court. We have Mr. Chanel by video also, excuse me, also with approval. We're set here today in this matter for a preliminary hearing. I do not see an officer present, so am I to presume that this is a waiver, Ms. Campion?
That's correct, Your Honor. I let the state know earlier today.
All right. Mr. Chanel, did your attorney thoroughly go over with you what it is to have a preliminary hearing?
Yes.
And the state has the burden to prove a felony was probably committed, and it was probably committed by you in Burnett County. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand that by waiving your right to a preliminary hearing, you are at least agreeing the state can meet that burden?
Yes.
You understand at a preliminary hearing, your attorney would have the ability to ask questions of the state's witnesses, would be able to call witnesses to testify for you. She'd be able to produce evidence on your behalf or possibly discover things about the case, which could include defenses, but you're giving up that right today. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You understand, as a result of waiving your right to a preliminary hearing, this matter will be bound over to future proceedings, which could include a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You understand that once you give up the right, it's forever and you cannot get it back?
Yes.
Has anyone made any threats or any promises to you for you to waive your right to a preliminary hearing?
No.
You're doing so freely and intelligently. That means you are telling the court you fully understand what you're doing
Yes.
and voluntarily.
Yes.
They'll find that you're competent, you're freely, intelligently, and voluntarily waiving your right to a preliminary hearing. I will find probable cause and bind the matter over. Information, Mr. Schmidt?
I filed the information that mirrors the criminal complaint.
Proceed with an arraignment, Ms. Campion, or set it for another date.
We can proceed, Your Honor.
He understands charges and maximum penalties.
Yes, and we would enter not guilty pleas. I believe we've already entered not guilty pleas on the misdemeanors, so this would just be on the felonies.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on your behalf on all matters. Mr. Chanel, you are entitled to a jury trial and you would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. Let's get the matter set for a status. I could do April 8th at 2:45 by video conferencing.
I am unavailable on the 8th. I apologize.
That's okay. I could do April 20th, pretty much any time in the morning. You have your pick. Video is fine.
I'm quite flexible that morning.
All right. How about we do 9:15? Does that work?
Yes.
All right. April 20th, 9:15. April 20th, 9:15. Mr. Chanel, you may also appear by video, okay?
Yep.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
We are adjourned. Did you call the public defender's office?
No, I called, I haven't got any hold of the lawyer yet.
Who is your lawyer? Oh, you said Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis is right there. That's Mr.
No,
Davis.
I think it's Mr. Eric.
You told me Mr. Davis.
Eric, I didn't talk to you, I told you.
Sure, that looks like Mr. Davis's stuff.
I don't know. I have not met him.
Oh, no, this is Weston Dunn. Oh, I don't. Well, we're gonna have to move forward and get this going.
$5,000.
What?
I just gave him 5,000.
Oh, you did, oh, you paid him money? Okay,
Yes, I did.
okay, go have a seat. Right down there. So you paid him, but,
I did pay him, yes, I just paid him. I don't know if he got his money yet or what's going on.
Okay,
I
so-
tried. He called me earlier and I missed the call, so I called him right back and I never heard.
read his name to me, please.
I don't have my glasses on, but I have no glasses, so I can't see.
Oh, well, then bring it back.
I'm sorry, man.
No, that's okay. Thank you. Wanacke? Wow. Oh, Mr. Pangburn.
Yes.
Here.
I didn't know if you might call you, but can you call on
Nope, I haven't heard anything.
me?
Okay, so. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so what,
The first sentence emailed me something.
that's fine. We'll just go through with the initial appearance. We'll set it, and then if it doesn't work for him, the next hearing, we can just move it. Okay. We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM05, State of Wisconsin versus David Kisslinger Senior. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Kisslinger Senior appears in person without counsel. Off the record, Mr. Kisslinger showed the court that he has a letter from an attorney. He indicates he has paid a retainer, and he did so on Monday. We were here back on January 28th when the court set a whole month ahead to allow Mr. Kisslinger to try and save money to put down a retainer. Mr. Kisslinger, off the record, you indicated we can proceed with the initial appearance and then set it for another date. And if that doesn't work for Mr. Pangburn, the court did indicate to you we can move that to a date that works with him. That's what you wish to do here today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you receive a copy of that criminal complaint
I believe so.
with that original charge? And you can read, write, you understand the English language?
Yes, ma'am.
And it alleges on or around Friday, December 26, 2025, in Burnett County, Wisconsin, in a private place, you engaged in abusive, unreasonably loud, or otherwise disorderly conduct, which tended to provoke a disturbance. That's a Class B misdemeanor. Upon conviction, you could face a fine of up to $1,000 or 90 days of incarceration or both. Plus, it has the domestic abuse modifier, which upon conviction, you could face an additional $100 surcharge and a federal prohibition to no longer be able to use or possess a firearm for life. You understand that charge and the maximum penalty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you need me to read anything else on that complaint aloud to you?
No. But the only thing is, when that was brought up, you can see that me and my wife, she said.
I don't want you, I want to hear whatever you want to tell me.
I have nothing to tell you now.
I just want to warn you that anything you say in here, especially on the record or off the record, can be used against you by the state in your case. So I
Okay.
just want you to be very careful in what you say.
I have nothing to say then.
All right.
Thank you.
And so you're still on Tower Road,
Yes, ma'am.
address or telephone ends in 3625.
Not no more, no. I have a new number.
Okay, what is that number?
And that is gonna be a dickens of fine because I don't even know my own phone.
And that's fine. Here's the thing, when we're done here, just go out to the clerk's office and update it.
All right, thank you
Okay.
very much.
So not guilty plea will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. This is an ADA case. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it about a month in advance, okay? For March 30th. And I'm going to set it for 10:30 on March 30th. Your attorney can appear by video conferencing, okay? So if you call, you can tell them it was scheduled for March 30th by video conferencing, and that's approved. But if this date doesn't work, then he needs to call my assistant and we'll set it for a date that'll work with him.
I'm sure he will once he gets hold of me and we get talking, you know?
That sounds good. And so you can come up here and get your notice, so you have it, and you can talk to him about that and let him know, okay?
All right, God bless you. Thank you.
All right, not guilty is entered. Come get your stuff. Thank you. Mr. Davis, you may come up with your first person.
State of Wisconsin versus Don Lovdahl.
Mr. Lovedoll, come on up.
Yeah, I go out to any of the windows at the clerk.
We will go on the record in the matter 25 CF 28, State of Wisconsin versus Don Lovedoll. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Lovedoll appears in person with counsel Nicholas Davis. We're set here today in this matter for a status conference. Mr. Davis, please update the court.
Your Honor, the case is not resolved at this time. I am newer on this case.
I know this case has been going for quite some time. I'm now the second lawyer. Would the court have patience for another status set at least 45 to 60 days out?
I can't guarantee how far out. I'll try and get around that time, Mr. Davis.
Or-
I do know you are newer on this case.
Or whatever time you can give me, let's put it this way, I'll be appreciative.
I can do April 20th. Video conferencing is fine. I can do 10 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll be available.
All right, April 20th at 10. All right, we will see you then. You can come get your notice and you are free to leave. Mr. Lunsman, sorry, Ms. Lunsman. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I said Mr. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CF 78, State of Wisconsin versus Denise Lunsman. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Lunsman appears in person with counsel Nicholas Davis. We're set today in this matter for a status conference. Mr. Davis, please update the court.
Your Honor, the case is not resolved, but I think it's getting very close. I have been in contact with the District Attorney's office, District Attorney Schmidt. My client is on probation in Polk County. Your Honor, she's going through a treatment program and therapy. She's got other medical issues which she's dealing with at the Mayo Clinic. I wanted to obtain some actual information so I could provide that to the district attorney and in attempts to ask him for something or for some consideration. Is there any way that I could have that same date on April 20th?
April 20th at 10. We'll set that for a status conference. Just make sure, Ms. Lunsman, you stay in close contact with Mr. Davis so that he can pass on the information, okay?
And she has been, and she's been a very good client.
Excellent. You can come get your notice and you're free to leave.
Thanks, Denise.
Mr. Oyat,
Judge, may I have 2 minutes with
You may.
Jacob?
yes, you may.